for the first time, we finally want to reveal our square 6-foot awning. We also do have an 8-foot awning option in this style, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of a demonstration of opening it so that you can see what it looks like. So we start with the zipper, flap it over the awning. It's connected with 2 Velcro straps. So this is the part where you just gotta watch out for a little bit, so it's gonna pop out. From there, it's connected over here. Let that loose, and basically you're done. Freestanding. Another additional feature that we have is a pole that you can extend to the side, just to give that a little bit of additional support when the wind kicks in. Tied in there. Little Velcro strip over here. And that's it.